Have you ever wondered where that one sock goes after laundry day? Well, let's find out. Down in the laundry room, where the air smelled like fresh linen and sunshine, lived a very special hero named Super Sock. Super Sock wasn't just any sock. He was brave, he was bold, and he had a matching twin named Sophie. They were the best of friends, always together, side by side. One bright morning, Super Sock woke up in the laundry basket, ready for a day of fun. But something was wrong. "Sophie," he called out, his little voice echoing off the wicker walls. He looked left, he looked right. No Sophie. A bubbly hum filled the room, and Super Sock's gaze fell upon the big, round door of the washing machine. It was spinning, humming a mysterious tune. With a gulp of courage, Super Sock knew what he had to do. His twin was in there, and he was going to save her. "Hang on, Sophie, I'm coming," he whispered, taking a brave leap towards the humming giant. The door to the washing machine creaked open just a crack, and Super Sock squeezed inside. Whoosh! He tumbled into a world unlike any he had ever seen. It was a wonderland of swirling colors, giant bubbles, and foamy mountains. Water swooshed past him like a gentle river. Sophie called, his voice muffled by the bubbles. But instead of Sophie, two giant googly eyes popped up from behind a mountain of suds. A huge, fluffy, and very blue creature giggled, sending ripples through the water. It wasn't scary at all, it was playful. This must be the legendary laundry monster. The laundry monster didn't want to fight, it wanted to play. It tossed a bubble at Super Sock, who expertly dodged it. "I'm looking for my sister, Sophie," Super Sock explained. The laundry monster tilted its fluffy head and pointed a soapy tentacle deeper into the spinning world. It seemed the monster wanted to help. But just as they were about to start their search, the machine rumbled and roared. The great spin cycle had begun. Water churned into a foamy storm. Suds flew everywhere, and the world inside the washer became a swirling, dizzying vortex. "Whoa!" yelled Super Sock, holding on tight to a stray button. The laundry monster looked a little worried too. The bubbles were getting bigger and bigger, threatening to spill out of the machine in a giant, soapy overflow. "We have to stop this," shouted Super Sock. The laundry monster nodded in agreement. They had to work together. Super Sock had an idea. "If we can find the stop button, we can end the storm," he declared. The laundry monster, using its size and strength, shielded Super Sock from the wild waves of water, pushing him toward the top of the machine. Super Sock climbed the slippery walls higher and higher. And then he saw her. Sophie Sock was tangled in a shirt sleeve near the very top, safe but stuck. "Sophie," he cried with relief. "Just a little further." With one final push from his new friend, Super Sock reached the control panel and bonk. He hit the big red button with all his might. Slowly, the swirling storm calmed down. The water drained away, and the humming softened to a gentle purr. The laundry monster carefully untangled Sophie, and the three of them slid down a waterfall of clean clothes as the dryer next door started to hum a happy, victorious tune. The door of the washing machine swung open, and out they tumbled, clean, shiny, and laughing. Super Sock and Sophie were reunited, and they had a new, fluffy friend. From that day on, Laundry Day wasn't a mystery. It was an adventure waiting to happen. And that's the story of Super Sock and the Laundry Monster.
Thank you for watching. It would be awesome if you would take the time to comment, like, and subscribe. Ring the bell so that we can notify you of our new videos. Have a great day. Bye-bye.